Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm making another great recipe. I'm making Spanish style chicken or pollo a la española. Please join me in my kitchen to make this wonderful dish. I'm preparing dinner for 6. I have 2 portions of chicken for each serving. I season them with salt, black pepper, and a little bit of garlic and left them marinate for about 2 hours. 5 or 6 slices of bacon cut in small tiny pieces. Olive oil, a very large onion, parsley, paprika, garlic, diced tomatoes, and this comes in a can, 1 diced green and 1 diced red bell peppers. On my stove, using a deep frying pan, in my olive oil, I'm going to fry the chicken. The chicken doesn't necessarily at this point have to be fully cooked inside. It just needs to be nicely brown in the outside. Once they become brown, I start removing them from the pan. And remember, the amount of ingredients and the steps to take for this recipe are in the description below this video. So make sure you check it out. It really doesn't matter if the skin comes out of the chicken, as long as you preserve the whole piece. Once I remove all of the pieces of chicken from the pan, I'm going to spoon out the grease. And I'm going to discard this grease. Leaving the stove in high temperature, or if you feel more comfortable, lower the temperature to medium-high. I'm going to fry the bacon. I'm going to let the bacon fry until it's really crispy. Let it become nicely brown and crispy. Okay, now it's time to add my onions. And this recipe takes a lot of onions. If you don't find a very large onion, just use 2 medium onions. I'm going to saute the onion for about 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the green and the red bell peppers. This mixture is going to cook together for about 10 minutes. They become very soft together, caramelized. Add the garlic, the paprika, the diced tomatoes, the parsley, make sure it's fresh parsley, the mixture is going to start boiling, and now is the time to return the chicken to the pan. I'm going to bury each piece inside the sauce. Now remember, we season the chicken before we fry them, so it doesn't require a lot of salt. But we can taste for salt and add just a little bit of salt if it's necessary. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, not too much. Make sure everything is nicely mixed together. Then I'm going to cover the pan, lower the temperature to low, and let it cook for about 25 minutes. After simmering for 25 minutes, the chicken is done and ready to be served. It smells delicious, it looks gorgeous. I'm going to serve this chicken over white rice, but you can serve it with mashed potatoes, potato salad, a piece of bread. It really doesn't matter, it tastes as delicious. Please join me next time with another great recipe. Click like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again in my next video. Enjoy your afternoon. Buen provecho. Bye bye.